In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create dependency in Monday.com. We'll walk through this together, step by step, so you can follow along in your own account. By the end, you'll have a board where tasks are linked to each other, and their timelines make sense in relation to one another. First, open your Monday.com workspace and go to the project board where you want to set up dependencies. This is usually the board where you're already tracking your tasks, owners, and dates. At the top of the board, look for the option to add or manage columns. Open that menu, then choose the option called More Columns. This is where Monday.com keeps all the special column types that aren't shown by default. In the search bar that appears, start typing dependency. As you type, you should see the dependency column type appear in the list. Click it, then select Add to Board. This will insert a new dependency column into your board. As soon as that column is added, a setup window will open to help you configure how dependencies behave. Click on Set up dependencies between items. Here, you'll be able to tell Monday.com which date column should respond when a dependency changes. Next, select the option to choose a date column. Click where it says Select a Column, and from the list, pick your due date column or whichever date column you want Monday.com to adjust when dependencies shift. After you've chosen the correct column, click Save to confirm your settings. Now that dependencies are enabled, let's set some dates so we can see them in action. Click into the due date cell for your first task. A calendar will pop up. Choose the desired day, for example, selecting a date later in the month. Do the same for the next tasks in your sequence, clicking into each date cell and picking the specific days you want on the calendar. This gives you a clear timeline across your tasks. With your dates in place, go back to the dependency column for a task. Click in that cell and you'll see a list of items from the board. Choose the task that this item depends on. You can repeat this for other items, linking each one to the task that must be completed before it starts. Finally, add a new task to your board, then set its due date and dependency the same way. This lets you build out your project with a clear, connected schedule that Monday.com can update automatically as things move.